Yeah, hi, I'm Raj, your local residential property manager based in West Auckland. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel, Residential Property Management Chat. Today I'm going to talk about how to view rental properties on website. So TradeMe is New Zealand one of the most favorite website for rentals. So if you're looking for a house to rent, then you can use TradeMe. There are other websites as well, but we like TradeMe. So let's go and explore TradeMe. So you just go to Google and type TradeMe. So this is for someone who never used TradeMe, or if you're new to New Zealand, then this will help you. So you type TradeMe and then you click onto real estate. Once you've done that, you just wait, and then this is for sale, for rent, or flatmates. So whichever is suitable for you, you choose that. So we're going to look for a rental property, so you click on to rent. Okay, and then you select the area. So usually it's all New Zealand. So wherever you're in New Zealand, you need to select if you're North Island, Auckland, Waikato. If you're down south, it's further down here. So we select Auckland, you click on that one, and then you choose the region that you planning to stay or planning to rent. So I'm in Waitakere, so I'll just click Waitakere. Then you can choose the suburb that you can use all, but if you know exactly where you're going to stay, then you can choose whichever. For instance, say Green Bay, Kelston, Hobsonville, and just once you've done that, then you select how many bedrooms you're looking for. If you're looking for more than 2 bedrooms, you at least two, but 2 to 4, so you just select 2 to 4. Once you've done that, bathrooms, how many bathrooms are you looking for? 1, 2. If you want 2 bathrooms, then again 1 to 2. If you just want one, then you just put any, then it will just count either 1 or 2 or more. But if you can specifically write 1 or 2 if you wish to. And then rent, how much rent you can afford, what budget do you have. So you just go from, say, for 2 to 4 bedrooms, roughly start from 475 2 bedrooms, and if it's 4 bedrooms can get up to 650. It depends, say get up to 700, and then just click search here, or you can choose car park, house, town, what are you actually looking for. If you're looking for a house, so you just click house, and then search. If you have the property ID, you can always type here. If you don't have, then just go to search rentals. Once that is done, you will see the list of properties here. If you have a budget, then you can always start, and you can always select and start from lowest price to highest, or you can go to latest one if you want to see what's actually just been advertised. So we just select here latest, and then you will see number of properties here: 519 Kelston, 37. Okay, so you just scroll down and keep looking. So I will show you my property that is renting at the moment. So we just click on that one. That's me, that's my company, Boogie Rental Managers. Okay, so we just click on it, then the page will open for that particular property. It's doing something. So yep, here we go. Okay, so Kelston 2 bedroom 550 per week, and if you want to see more photos, you just click here, or you can click on the bottom here, and you can see the photos. Then scroll down further, it's got more details of the property, how many bedrooms, ideal tenants, maximum tenants, smoke alarms, yes, and show more plus. So you click on that one and you will get to see more details of the house. So 2 double bedrooms, 1 study room, 1 lounge, 1 kitchen. What else? It has it says no pets, no smokers. And if you want to apply straight away, you can. There's a link here, so you just copy paste this link onto here, and it will connect directly to the application, and you just complete it and submit it, and it will go to the property agent. So you scroll down here, here's my details, my name. If you want to contact me, you can just click on that one. My phone number will appear, and you can just contact me, or you can email and ask me questions if you do have any. So far 1158 people have viewed this property, so that's quite good, showing good interest. So yeah, so that's all you need to do. If you want to find out a rental property, you go back. Once you go back, you'll be able to see more properties here. You just click on the one you like, and yeah, you just give an agent a call. Very simple. So all the best if you're looking for a rental property. Thank you again for watching my YouTube channel, Residential Property Management Chat. Have a great day.